with all the competition and people would have been doing it for years and all of that. So like, Roberta just
I saw that.
Kita mo yung tayo.
Nasaan?
Doon, no, ang dami sabi ng babae, kapadoodle do.
Parang mga ano yan, no? Taga dito yan, no?
Oo. Hindi karamihan dito. Let's say, actually, that one building over there, it's going to be like an offices. Kaya yung mga nagtatrabaho, makikita mo yun. Lunch break nila, nakikita mo na ang gaganda ng mga damit nila, pero naka-tennis shoes. Naglalakad. Pero, sabi nga nanay, why is it the ones that are walking are the fat people? Hindi naman sila lumiliit. Lakad sila ng lakad sa lunch break nila. Ganun sa office namin, ganun din yung tatlong nataba. Every lunch break, we're going for our walk. Sabi nga, they keep walking.
They keep walking, pero yung kinakain naman nila, more than the calories they burn.
Usually. Baka, o kaya salad lang sila ng salad. Like, that's all they eat. Salad, and then they walk for their lunch, and then, wala kami nakikitang reason.
Mama,
Yes, babe.
you look at my shower and act like because I'm not married.
O parang man-ed, men-ed.
Ayong, ano, Man Ed's Pizzeria.
Actually,
Ate
are they
Claire,
open?
you're on video.
Talaga, nahihiya ako eh.
I'll put this on YouTube.
Oh, I have a video on YouTube. I'll show
Oh,
you.
the dancing video?
Yeah, did you
I
see
saw
it?
it.
Oh my God.
Allison showed it to me. That was you?
Yeah, that was me. Sikat ako ha, in fairness. This is open. Hindi pa kami nakapunta this side. Kasi hindi pa naman lahat bukas. Bukas na. Ano kaya ito? I wonder which one this is. Maybe this is the Chinese restaurant?
Yeah, it is.
You think it is?
Yeah. What time is it?
It's 4:15. Wow.
Para maganda magpa-picture dito, ah.
I get it.
Kaya lang, it's against the sun. So,
Yeah.
anda sa side, no?
Better right here.
No, the sun's still going to be shining on the building.